Hi, my name is Yvonne and I'm going to teach you how to create a Crystal Heart Valentine's Day card. The art supplies that you will need today include pink watercolors, brush, pencil, ruler, eraser, Sharpie, white A4 card or paper, and an apron. I would like you to fold the page in half like this. Next, I would like you to draw a box that is 12 by 9 centimeters in dimension. I would like a 1 centimeter border on the left and the right. I would like you to refer to the top left hand corner for visual reference of what we're going to draw. I'm going to teach you how to draw the heart using specific measurements with a ruler so that the heart will be symmetrical. If this becomes too difficult for you, you can copy what you see on the left hand side without using the measurements. So what I'd like you to do is divide this box into 2 columns, 6 centimeters on the left, 6 centimeters on the right. Next, I'd like you to draw the V by marking the paper 3 centimeters from the central vertical line on the left, and then 3 centimeters from the vertical line on the right, and then 2 centimeters down. Now if you connect these lines, you will create a V that is perfectly symmetrical. Next, we're going to draw the top plane of the heart, 2 centimeters from the edge of the V, like this. Then on the left hand border, I'd like you to draw a mark that's 2 centimeters from the top, and then connect the 2 lines together like this. I'd like you to repeat this on the other side. Next, I'd like you to mark the paper 2 centimeters down on the left hand side and connect that dot to the center point like this. Now I'm just putting the measurements on here so that you can see how I approached it. Next, I would like you to draw some random lines on the heart to give the visual effect of a crystal. You can copy the way that I approached the lines, like so. The lines that you don't need are lines that are outside the shape of a heart. Next, I'd like you to trace all the lines over with a Sharpie. Once you have done that, I'd like you to erase all the pencil lines. Next, I'd like you to use watercolors to color your crystal heart. We're going to color these planes with different shades of pink. You can change the shade of the pink by applying different amounts of water. The more water you apply, the lighter the color. The less water you apply, the darker the color. If you want to achieve a really dark pink, you can apply 2 layers of paint instead of 1. Next, you can splatter your watercolors. Using your index finger, pull back on the bristles and let them snap forward. If you repeat that, then you can create a really cool effect all over the page. Next, allow the paint to dry before you write a custom message inside the card. Happy Valentine's!